We're making Bellybutton Baklava. We're going to use 1 filo dough. Batter it. We have the melted butter here. And we're going to use a shish kebab stick so we can roll it up, flip it over, put your chopped nuts, start rolling, and we need to leave a little bit of the filo dough. Squish it, make it look pretty, and turn it around, and this is your Bellybutton baklava. There you go. Beautiful Bellybutton.
Butter on the bottom of the pan.
Right. So here's your Bellybutton baklava. Okay, put it on the Pyrex. And just keep making several until you fill the Pyrex, and then bake it for about 20-25 minutes. We're going to put additional butter on the baklava so it will turn out to be nice, crisp, and golden halfway through cooking. After the baklava is baked, we're gonna put pistachio inside the belly buttons. And after we have filled up the belly buttons with pistachios, what we're gonna do next is to put the syrup over the belly button. This is the syrup for the baklava. It has been simmering, and it's half a cup of sugar and half a cup of water, and a tiny bit of lemon juice that we have to put in the syrup so that it will not crystallize. Now we're going to put the syrup on the baklava. What we want to do is make sure that it's on the bottom of the baklava, and it will then be absorbed by the baklava bottoms. Now we're going to put additional syrup on the belly buttons. Just a tiny bit. This way it's going to keep the pistachio nuts in place.